Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number 850-630. This is a solid wire pole. I have one removed from the packaging here. This is a bit heavier duty than just your average wire pole in the sense that it is manufactured of solid stainless steel material. It's available in brass-based materials as well, onto which they can do your chromes, your brasses, your bronze, your satin, your polish. They can powder coat. They can powder coat really anything. Black is a very common powder coat. Oil rub bronze equivalent is a common powder coat as well. So the 850, not to be confused with their RM 850, they've used a part number that is derivative and a different part number that means a really different thing. This has a center to center of 2 3/4, and if you're ordering a pole for a drawer front, a door front, be sure, and certainly if it's existing, you'll want to measure that center to center, because 2 3/4, not uncommon by any means, but may not be the most common one. So you'll want to definitely double check that. It's going to include 832 by 1 inch truss head style machine screws for installing into your typical 3/4 inch drawer and cabinet fronts. This material is 5/16 diameter, according to Rockwood. The caliper says it's .311, so pretty accurate. This is made of stainless steel. The 630 in the part number means that. It also means that it is in a brushed type finish. Holes drilled and tapped in the backside. And because it's Rockwood, not only can they do really any finish that you want. If you want antique nickel, they can certainly do that. They can also do any length that you want. Meaning that we've done this not only in 2 3/4, but you might literally say, you know what, I want them 6 inch. Well, they can make that, certainly. Not only can they do the 5/16 diameter, but they can also give you a thicker diameter as well. And there's a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog. You can order the 856, which is the 1/2 inch diameter, and which is then inherently 4 inch center to center. But again, you can do either of the thicknesses in really any size. And I think about the largest size that we've seen is about 12 inch, because I think if you get awfully bigger than that, you might have some deflection. However, if you had a kitchen that had 16-foot ceilings, and your cabinets, they went up a little, of 2 feet taller than average, you're sure going to want something proportionately larger. Otherwise, it's just not going to look right. So anything like that can be done, and that's in those instances where we will see not only the thicker diameter in the 856, but the larger unit. And that 856, we're going to use that in your commercial applications, like your high volume coffee shops where they're pulling those doors open 100 times a day just to get a bag of coffee out of it, if not more. So you'll see the heavier, not only the heavier pull handles, but heavier hinges as well. And then also we're going to sell the thicker, bigger material to colleges for their dorm applications. And then, of course, again, to those taller cabinet applications. The rest of the product brochure will show you other poles and flush pole ideas, some knobs, some utility poles that are there. Sliding door materials also listed there. It's just the immediate complementary material that you'll see in association to this. Okay, Rockwood, that is synonymous with excellent fit and finish. The quality, the caliber of the finished product is always is all but always exceptional. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website and also a link to the full product catalog. Also, if you have a door thickness other than 3/4, let us know. Indicate in the comment field so that those screws are sent out accordingly. You might have 1 3/8 bifold doors that you're putting these on. Let us know that so that you don't have to take a last-minute run to the hardware store for longer screws that may prove to be less than easy to get your hands on. Any questions on the Rockwood? This is their part number 850 in a 630 finish, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.